Hey there everybody, this is going to be a quick tech tip on these old Land Cruisers. Has your horn ever stopped working and you can't figure out why? Sometimes it works when it's maybe raining or it's cold or this, that, and the other. So I have a really quick tech tip for that. This is actually something that I heard about and I've never actually tried, but today I did try it and it does in fact work. So have you ever noticed that there's this little knob on your steering column that gets nubbed down a little bit? So here's a quick tip that you can do. You can take any type of bullet shell and actually put that over this guy. I actually had to cut mine down a little bit. It'll put it over this little guy, and in fact it will rub against this part of the steering wheel. So when you go ahead and put the steering wheel on, you want to pressure on there nice. Look at this. Whoop, it all works. And when I take it off, like so, put this back on, it doesn't work. You see that? So just a quick tech tip for the day. If this is helpful, I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe, like, and share these videos, as it really keeps me motivated to keep making content like this. So I do need to do some clarification on the bullet shell trick for the horn. Originally I had a bigger shell on there and it works great. And then I started driving down the road and every time I moved the steering wheel, the horn would go off. So I had to go ahead and get a smaller one. These are 22s. As you can see, when I slip it on, it slips directly over this guy a lot better. It's really sturdy now and it's not hanging out all over the place. And this in fact does work a lot better. So that's what you use instead. That will do the trick. So now I can finally do the honk and wave. I've been waiting years to do that. Woo!